Hello guys and welcome back to George Basic Script and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to create shipping labels in your Shopify store. So to do this, first of all, you need to click apps right here, and then you need to click app and sale channel settings. And in the top right, you will see Shopify App Store. You need to go to the Shopify App Store, and in the search, you need to find shipping label. And when you search, you will see a lot of apps, but I suggest you to use this one, which is called Aftership Shipping Plus Labels. So just click it and click the install button. Then you need to click the install again. You need to go to your Gmail and copy the verification code. It will import all of the data. Then you need to fill all of these necessary gaps right here, and you need to start the free trial. So I will do it. And after that, you will be able to create the shipping label. So to do this, you need to click print a real label right here. You will go to this page, then you need to click create order, and you need to fill all of the gaps, guys. And after that, you will create the shipping label for your product. That's all I want to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.